The Honeywell Home Renovation Odor Reducing Tea Filter for HEPA Tower Air Purifiers helps to establish an unrivaled breathing experience for you and your loved ones. This tea filter is formulated with pelletized activated carbon to help reduce and absorb common volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, generated during the home renovation and remodeling process. VOCs are gases that are emitted from certain household cleaning, home improvement, and common home decor products that can be harmful or irritating if inhaled. Compatible does not mean comparable. For the best performance, use only genuine Honeywell Air Purifier filters. Compatible air purifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency. All genuine Honeywell filters can be found at honeywellstore.com. For the best performance, it is recommended you replace your Honeywell odor-reducing tea filters once every 3 months. With a subscription to the Honeywell filter of your choice at honeywellstore.com, you can take the guesswork out of when you should order a new filter. This way, you'll always have cleaner, fresher air to breathe without the hassle of ordering new filters yourself. The HRFTC1 odor-reducing tea filter is designed exclusively for the Honeywell HPA075B, HPA175B, HPA080B, and the HPA180B air purifiers. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.